symphonies of flavors and nutrients to boost your energy. DIY smoothies, colorful, energy-packed, and nutrient-packed delights. Elevate your day with a burst of vibrant energy. Introducing DIY smoothies. Not just a beverage, but a colorful symphony of flavors and nutrients that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Escape to the tropics with this refreshing blend. In your blender, combine frozen pineapple chunks, mango slices, a banana, coconut water, and a handful of spinach. This tropical concoction not only delivers a boost of vitamins A and C, but also provides a dose of natural electrolytes from coconut water. For an added collagen boost, consider incorporating a tasteless collagen powder into the mix. Indulge in the antioxidant goodness of berries. Blend together a mix of frozen strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a generous handful of kale. This vibrant smoothie is a powerhouse of antioxidants, supporting immune health and promoting radiant skin. To enhance its protein content, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder and a sprinkle of chia seeds for added omega-3 fatty acids. Revitalize your body with this green detox powerhouse. Combine cucumber, green apple, kale, ginger, and a splash of lemon juice in your blender. This detoxifying blend is rich in chlorophyll and antioxidants, promoting digestion and cleansing. Consider adding a scoop of collagen for its potential benefits in supporting joint health and skin elasticity. For a satisfying and protein-rich option, blend together a ripe banana, a spoonful of peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This smoothie not only provides a delicious blend of flavors, but also serves as an excellent post-workout recovery option. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps keep you full and fueled. Wake up to a burst of citrusy goodness. Blend together oranges, grapefruits, and a hint of lime for a zesty kick. This citrus-packed smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, supporting immune health and collagen synthesis for glowing skin. Add a scoop of collagen powder for an extra collagen boost and potential skin health benefits. Awaken your spirit with energy and delight with a sensational berry blast. Blend together strawberries, blueberries, and banana. Add collagen to give it the power-packed punch and a delightful, creamier texture. This smoothie boasts of 3 superfoods packed into one sensational smoothie. Remember, sharing is caring, so share the value of these smoothie sensations with your family and friends. Like and subscribe for more. And remember, eat well, live well.